Have you ever thought that the way you boil your potatoes could actually change your blood sugar? This innocent-looking vegetable, found in almost every home, hides a secret scientists have only recently uncovered. Researchers discovered that how you cook a potato changes its chemistry, altering how your body absorbs glucose. One small cooking change can mean fewer blood sugar spikes, more stable energy, and better metabolic health. Stay with me to learn how to boil potatoes the right way, transforming them from a starchy villain into a blood sugar ally. Most of us believe that potatoes raise blood sugar, and that's not entirely wrong. When you boil a potato and eat it hot, its starch rapidly breaks down into glucose, causing an insulin surge. But scientists at the University of Cambridge found that cooling potatoes after boiling transforms the starch into resistant starch. Resistant starch isn't easily digested in the small intestine. It passes through to the large intestine, becoming food for your gut's good bacteria. This means less sugar absorption, steadier blood sugar levels, and reduced hunger after meals. All this simply by letting your potato cool down. What our grandmothers did instinctively, boiling potatoes and eating them the next day, science now confirms. Studies from the University of Sydney's medical school show this transformation lowers the potato's glycemic index by up to 40%. This means no more sudden sugar spikes. Your body releases glucose slowly, giving you long-lasting energy instead of a crush. The science behind it. When the potato cools, its starch forms crystalline chains that digestive enzymes can't easily break. This is known as resistant starch type 3. It acts like fiber, feeding beneficial gut bacteria and producing butyric acid, which reduces inflammation and improves insulin sensitivity. Research from the Cornell Nutrition and Metabolism Center shows people eating more resistant starch have lower fasting insulin and better glucose tolerance. Here's what that means for you. To make potatoes your blood sugar ally, follow this simple cooking protocol. Boil your potatoes as usual until soft. Let them cool completely for at least 12 hours in the refrigerator. Eat them cold or reheat gently below 60 degrees Celsius to preserve the resistant starch. This way, the same potato that once caused a sugar surge now helps stabilize your blood sugar. But there's more. This phenomenon also applies to rice, pasta, and even legumes. When these foods are cooled and eaten the next day, their resistant starch content multiplies. Experts at the European Institute of Nutrition observe this practice can reduce calorie absorption by up to 10% per meal. Incorporating 15 to 60 grams of resistant starch daily can lower insulin levels and increase insulin sensitivity over time. Resistant starch also acts as a prebiotic, feeding beneficial bacteria in the colon and producing butyrate. These fatty acids support colon health, protect against digestive disorders, reduce gut inflammation, and improve insulin sensitivity. So, next time you prepare potatoes, remember this simple secret to transform them into a powerful ally for your blood sugar and overall health.